How to hide apps on your Android device. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide your apps on your Android device. So many Android devices have this feature called hide apps, and to access it, it will depend on your device. But in most Samsung devices, if you just pinch in and zoom in your screen like so, you should be able to access your hidden apps. It's a bit different on my device, so I just have to go out, pinch out, and go to this home screen settings. And if I scroll down, I can see here apps on home screen and hidden apps. So basically, to hide apps, you just choose these apps that you want to hide. And once you do that, tap on done, and your apps will be hidden. So you won't be able to find it anywhere on your home screen or your app drawer right here. So once you do that, your apps will be hidden. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.